Adding a Chase credit card to my Chase application is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open the Chase mobile application on your smartphone. Now sign in to your Chase account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're signed in to the account where you want to add the card. Then locate the card if the card is already visible on the home screen, and tap on the card's image. If the card isn't displayed, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll down to find the credit card you want to add and tap on it. Then proceed to Account Services. Scroll down to the Account Services section. Now tap on Add to Digital Wallet and choose your digital wallet. Then select the digital wallet you want to add the card to, such as Apple Wallet, Google Pay, or Samsung. Now verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity using your phone's security features, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or PIN. And confirm card details. Review the card information displayed and tap on Confirm.